to 3,000 tokens free of ELX Lunch Pool stake to earn Elixir ELX. Subscription time March 11 to March 18 UTC. You can stake BTC and ELX token here. Total reward pool 1.5 lakhs. And with the estimated APR of 391.07%, you can stake your token in this lunch pool. So let's jump to the article page of Gate.io. Elixir will be launched on Gate.io. Launch pool stake ALX BTC and earn ALX token rewards every hour. Airdrops detailed staking period March 11th on March 18, 2025. Total staking reward 1.5 lakhs. You can stake your token by just clicking on the stake to earn now button. How you can participate? Project information. Elixir is a blockchain project focused on DeFi and liquidity solution that its aim to provide efficient liquidity support for DEX with its protocol TVL exceeding 300 million on website. And here is the Gate.io Lab investment disclosure. Gate.io Labs did not invest in Elixir, and risk warning and data are available here. So be aware and do your own analysis before investing your assets in crypto. Otherwise, you will lose all your shares. Total rewards 1.5 lakh. Staking period will be 7 days, and mining will be earned in 6 days and 6 hour time earned 18/3/2025. Here we have two types of pools, BTC pool and ALX pool. On BTC pool, you can simply click on this pool. You can stake your BTC tokens here with the total APR of 3.46 already in progress. And in the ELX pool, which is very high, 705.33 open for all existing and new user with the total participant 907. You can trade ELX now by clicking on this. You will see here the real market price 0.53 tokens, and now the market is up all time in a uptrend with the 24-hour volume of 20.5 million. So you can buy and sell and trade on Gate.io securely with more than 3,700 cryptocurrencies. We have another event, Gate.io new user first week exclusive bonus. Join Gate.io lunch pool to grab $20 bonus. Gate.io new user first week exclusive bonus is live during the event. New user who join any Gate.io lunch pool staking pool within their first week of registration have a chance to win a $20. Event period March 11 to March 18 UTC 2025. Event rules here available. You can read all the rules during the event. New user who register and complete identity verification after March 4, 2025. Join any lunch pool staking pool within 7 days can earn the first 100 user rank by the time of their first successful staking with earning will receive $20 reward. First come, first serve until fully claimed. You can read all the rules, and for sign up, just click on this link. My referral link is available in the description, and you can register your new account on Gate.io and complete your KYC. Click on the join now button, and here complete the captcha verification and click on the submit button. Your form will be submitted successfully, and here you will see the okay successful message. Thank you for sharing. You can just click on the close now button.